one is steering based horizontal motor angle control, the second is steering based side lamps, and the third is speed based vertical motor angle control. Now for the steering I have used a potentiometer. You can see here behind the steering wheel it is potentiometer as an input, and for the output I have simulated it on the scope. Now I will demonstrate vertical side lamps. Okay, now you can see that the scope has been turned on, and the steering wheel, there is zero. The steering wheel is set at 0, and it is at stable position in the front, so that turn the steering wheel towards the right direction, the resistance of the potentiometer goes on increasing. The yellow line indicates that resistance of the potentiometer, and the violet line indicates the amount of angle by which the servo motor will turn towards the right. So when I will make the steering to the neutral position, the servo motor will also face towards the neutral position, that is front, and when I will turn the steering wheel towards the right, the servo motor also slowly turns towards the right, proportional to my turning of the steering wheel. Now when I am turning the steering wheel at the extreme point beyond 125 degrees, then the side lamp will turn on, the right side lamp will turn on, which will be shown as the yellow trigger in the upward graph. You can see that the yellow trigger has become at one position, so that the side lamp at the right side is turned on. Similarly, when I will move towards the left, the side lamp will turn off when the steering is again reaching the neutral position. Similarly, in the left side, when I am turning the steering to the left, the motor will also slowly turn towards the left side, and when I will reach the extreme position towards the left, so that the violet, you can see that the violet, that is left side lamp, has been turned on. When I will make the steering wheel in the neutral position, the left side lamp has turned off, and now slowly the direction of the motor will also face front, that is go to the neutral. So you can see that when I turn my steering towards the right side, slowly the motor will also turn towards the right. On reaching the extreme position, the right side lamp turns on. On making the steering to the neutral position again, the right side lamp first turns off, and then slowly the motor will also face frontwards, that is the headlamp will also face the front direction. Similarly, it will happen in the left side. When I will turn the steering wheel towards the left side slowly, the motor headlamps will also turn towards the left side, and when it reach the extreme position, then you can see when it reach the extreme position, the left side lamp has been turned on. Now the steering is returning to the normal. You can see that the side lamp has been turned off, as well as the motor direction is facing frontwards slowly. So this was the turning on and off of the side lamps, as well as the turning of the servo motor of the headlamps, that is based on proportionate to the steering wheel, the turning of the headlamps towards the left or towards the right. Okay, now for the speed based vertical angle control of the motor. The angle of the motor here given in graph in reference with the ground level. So here second graph shows the input of the speed sensor to the Arduino, and the first graph shows the angle at which the motor is set, that is the headlamps are set. When the speed falls below 80, the motor will be automatically set to 75.